My name is Benedict, and this is my Python project. So this is the scenario given for the project. There are three different parts for the project. So for part one, we must tabulate the cost of goods sold per country per quarter for the year 2023. First, we must import the CSV module to be able to read the CSV file. Next, there is a list of variables that are used for the project. 2 dictionaries, costing and profit, and 2 lists, total and mean. We next have to open the CSV file in read mode, use CSV Reader to read the CSV file, and skip the header row of the file. To sort the cost of goods sold by country and quarter, I first created a for loop for row in file and defined country as the 4th row in the CSV file, or row 3. Using the different countries as keys in the costing dictionary, I initialized the dictionaries with the keys using zeros. Following that, I ensured that we compiled data from 2023 only and sort the data by country and its relevant quarters using is and else if statements. I then added the values as floats into list in the costing dictionary with the different countries as the keys. Next, to calculate the total cost per country, I created another for loop to sum the values in the costing dictionary by country. I have also converted the individual quarter values and the total values to integers. I then proceeded to print the table required for part 1. For part 2, providing summary, I have elected to focus on the mean cost of goods sold per country per quarter. To do that, I wrote a for loop that divides the total cost of goods sold per country, which was calculated in part 1, by 4 and printed the results. Finally, for the additional analysis required in part 3, I have decided to calculate the profit per country. Using the same principles and methods in the for loop used in part 1, I tabulated the profit per country in 2023 into the profit dictionary, again using the respective countries as keys. The for loop is a bit different as now we do not need to sort by quarter and can just calculate the total profit directly. So I then printed the data, converting the individual profits to integers for better presentation. So finally, analyzing the profit against the cost of goods sold per country, we have shown that the higher cost of goods sold does not necessarily lead to higher profit. Thank you.